WhatsApp has new updates. Watch this to know more. The first one is voice chat. For this, open the WhatsApp app. Click on the group name. Now, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. This will activate the live walkie-talkie in the group. You can talk with the group members without voice call. Once it is ended, history will not be recorded. The second one is call one person in a group. In the group chat page, click on the phone or video icon to make the call. Here, I am going with the phone icon. Now tap on the arrow icon beside the group name. The list of group members will appear. Select the person that you want to call. After that, at the bottom, click on the Call to Selected block. The voice call will be started for the selected person, and the call history is not stored in the group. And the last one is image layout. In the chats page, look at the bottom and click on the Updates icon. Now tap on Add Status. Here you will see different options. Click on Layout. It will redirect to the Photos app. Scroll through them and select the photos. You can choose up to 6 photos. Once you are OK, then click on the Next to confirm. After that, at the bottom, you will see different layout icons. Here, select your preferred option. Next, adjust the images if needed. Once you are OK, then, at the top right corner, tap on Done. Here, you can also add music, text, and tag people if needed. After that, click on the side arrow icon. The status is updated with multiple photos, and that's it.